In your life, if you want to succeed, then you should not fear from insulting. So many people will insult you. So many people will pull your legs. And so many people will humiliate you. But don't worry, because they are doing their work and you should do your work. What they are doing wrong work, but we should do right work. What's our work? Our work is focusing on our target. We should focus on our target and we should not think about insulting. If so many people are insulting you, don't worry. You can answer of their insult by getting success. If you get success, once you are famous, once you become very fabulous, then everybody will salute you. So please don't fear from insulting. People will insult you, people will abuse you, people will misuse you, but you should focus on your target. You know why people give up of speaking English? Because they think, they fear they are speaking wrong. If you are speaking wrong or if you are speaking broken English, no matter, you should start, at least you should start speaking, because in the starting time, in the initial state, you can commit mistake. But as soon as you get expertise, as soon as you get comfort zone in speaking, you can also speak without any problem. Then while speaking in English, you should not fear, because fear is one of the enemies of human being. You know what is fear? Fear is nothing. Fear is our enemy. Then we should remove our enemy. Then we will be fearless. And when Lord Rama went to the forest for 14 years, he did not feel insult. You know, he was God. If he wanted, so what couldn't he do? He could do everything, yet he went for exile. So you can understand, when Lord Rama can go to forest with happiness from the bottom of heart, so why can't we survive in problems? If we have any problem, if we have any tension, if we have any anxiety, or if we have any challenge, then we should accept. We should not run away from the challenges. We should accept our challenges and we should believe in God. And we must succeed in our struggle also. If you are facing a struggle at this time, don't worry, because everything goes away. The struggle will also go away. So we should learn from Lord Rama, from Lord Krishna, from Lord Vishnu, from Lord Vishnuji and Lord Shiva. Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam wanted to become a pilot, but he could not become the pilot. Then he went to his mentor, Swami Shivanand. So Swami Shivanand told him, don't worry, you should, if you are not a pilot now, God has another plan for you. If you did not get what you wanted to become, then why don't you believe in God? Then you can understand, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam could not become a pilot, but he became the missile man of India. Now everybody remembers him for his that act, for his noble act. So why can't we do noble act? So kill your fear. If you wanna succeed in your life, first of all, you should kill your fear. As soon as you kill your fear, you can do everything in the world. Because if a person can go to moon, if a person can go to the moon, why can't you succeed on the earth? We can also succeed on the earth. People can go another planet. People can go another space. So getting success on the earth, is it any big task? I don't think so. So remove your fear, kill your fear and be success. Hey guys, Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very beneficial for all of you. Why? because in this video we will discuss about a very good topic. Then guys, what is that topic? Look at how to speak English. Then guys, in this video we will discuss how to speak in English, because so many people want to speak in English but for some reasons they are not able to speak in English. Then in this video we will come to know what are the reasons from which people are not able to speak in English and how can they speak in English. I will also tell you some tips and techniques from which you can speak in English. So guys, please stay tuned. Don't skip the video. Watch the video from the starting to the end. Look at guys. Then I will tell you how to speak in English. Then what is the first and foremost point to speak in English? Basic knowledge. Then guys, if you want to speak in English, then first and foremost rule is you should have basic knowledge. If you want to communicate in English or if you want to speak in English, then first of all you should have basic knowledge of English. Then you must be thinking, sir, what is the basic knowledge? Basic knowledge is tenses. First of all, you should learn tenses, because through tenses you can learn how to format the sentence. First of all, you should learn formation of a sentence. As soon as you learn how to format a sentence, then you should try to speak oral. Like if you want to speak in English, then you should practice of speaking, because speaking comes by speaking. That's why you should learn basic knowledge of English. First of all, you should learn basic knowledge of English, and after learning basic knowledge of English, you should start speaking English. After learning English tenses, you should start speaking in English, because through the tenses you can format sentences. If you know how to format a sentence, then you can also speak. If you can write in English, then can't you speak in English? You can also speak in English. Then if you want to speak in English, you should try to speak in English, because English comes by speaking. What we do, that we get. If you speak in English, then you will know how to speak in English. And in the starting you will commit mistake. Everybody commits mistake in the starting. If you commit mistakes in starting, then don't worry, because it is not a big issue. Everybody commits mistake in the starting state. Everybody commits mistake. If you are committing, so you are not a special person that you are committing a mistake. Everybody commits mistake in his life, but we should improve our mistakes. We should remove our mistake and we should improve ourselves. That's called learning. Then if you want to speak in English, first of all you should have basic knowledge of English. You should have fundamental knowledge of English. What is the second point? If you really want to speak in English, then you should speak English without fear, because if you fear to speak in English, then you will not able to speak in English. First of all, you should remove your fear and you should not afraid of speaking English, because English is just a language. You are not learning any rocket science. You are not learning any scientific invention. What you are learning? You are learning a language. Then you should not fear while speaking in English, because if you fear to speak in English, then you will never speak in English. So what you need to do? You need to remove your fear, because everybody thinks what they think, what other people think about him. You can do any word without any fear. And why to feel insult? So many celebrities did not feel insult. Then we are common men. When Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani was working in a petrol pump, so did he feel insult? He did not feel insult. He was working in a petrol pump. Then you can see the result. Now you know his son and his grandson are living a luxurious life. Why? Because Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani did not see insult. He kept on working. He kept on focusing on his work. Similarly, we can take example of Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam became the missile man of India. How? He did not feel insult. You know, we are also one of them. Even Lord Rama did not. When Lord Rama, how they sacrifice, they sacrifice many things. Then don't fear and don't fear from insult. That's it for today.